करो मगर पत्थर टूटे ऐसे शीशे की तलाश करो।
Hello everyone, I'm Kajal. I study in class 12. I am the student of BN English class 8. Today I'm gonna express my point of view on importance of English. Well, in my point of view, English is a language which is spoken all over the world, so it is called an international language. It is an official and global language. Without English, it is very tough to get success or go ahead. It develops our personality and decorates our future. It is used in every step of life. Nowadays, English plays very important role to get education. So there is a big relation between English and education. So at last, I wanna say that learn English and win the world. That's all. Thank you for listening to me.
क्या आप भी अपने बच्चों को आगे चलकर डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर या किसी अन्य फील्ड में स्किल्ड करवाना चाहते हैं?
क्योंकि अब आपके अपने ही ज्ञान गंगा शिक्षण संस्थान एंड BN इंग्लिश क्लासेज में